Ever wondered if an app can genuinely give you free game skins and gift cards? Or if it's just another time sink with empty promises? Let's check out SkinApe, the mobile app linked to skinape.com that says you can earn in-game items like skins for CS2/CS:GO and gift cards by playing games, doing quizzes, watching ads, and completing tasks. On the plus side, it does appear to pay out. Trust score site Scam Detector gives the site a strong rating of about 84.6 out of 100 for authenticity. Over on Trustpilot, thousands of users say they actually received skins with minimal issues, though some mention tasks didn't credit properly, or earning takes a long grind. It's not fast or effortless. Many tasks pay very little. You may need to wait for trade locks to clear, and it's best seen as a free bonus tool rather than a serious earning stream. If you go in with realistic expectations and are okay putting in the time, yes, SkinApe seems legit. But if you're hoping for quick big payouts, you'll likely be disappointed. Ready to give it a go? Just take care to read the terms. Use safe payment on trading methods and don't expect miracles. If you liked this, subscribe to the channel.